Hi, I'm CQ.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Josh.
I'm here today to find out exactly where my roots come from. I don't mean these ones at all. I know. Bleh, stop it. They're disgusting.
I really just want to know exactly what I'm made up of.
I know that my cousins are all from Germany because when they talk to me, it sounds like they're spitting.
Alright, here we go. It looks so easy. Spit into it. I don't usually spit, but I will today.
Isn't there like an oral swab that you can take? That would be really nice and snippy.
Yes, mark box.
Ew, mister with a light.
Mel.
That's disgusting. Take this.
And then all you do is you just go on your computer and the results are up. Voila.
Is your Wi-Fi down?
Living through a window. Here they are. And
Yeah, it says I am. I'm 10% Irish. I love gold.
it says I'm 80% from Texas. Hello?
Is this a joke? I'm 50% alcoholic. Is that what it's supposed to tell you?
This is bullshit. Ow.
That's really not fair to call me an alcoholic. I had one drink this morning.
What do you mean I'm Republican?
I know it's 10 a.m. I said one drink.
And then 20% bloody liar.
40% brunette. Who the fuck wrote this?
This is bullshit. I didn't vote for him. See, and 20% a liar. I would have lied ever in my whole life. Fine, I didn't vote. It branched the day before. I was really sick.
Can I speak to a supervisor? I'm furious.
Texas.
You? Hi. You? Can I get a drink?